Now they're all coming. Look at how cute you are. Look at how cute you are. Yeah. And then you got. Did you just go potty? So there's all kinds of goats and everything. Look at that one. Hey, we're leaving you now. Yeah, it's being so gentle. Look at this one here. Maybe you shouldn't be eating that. You shouldn't be eating that, should you? And you got all kinds of but you have goats and they just come up to you like that.
You got mini horses on the other side.
And then you flip around.
I want to feed Peanut. I want to feed Peanut. My rule is every pony gets some treats from me. Oh, there's their names. Okay. We have Addie, Mia, Charlie, Debbie, Zoe. Okay.
All right. You want some yummies? Oh, oh, oh. I didn't like the feeling. Let's try you. Oh. You bit me. That's funny. Don't feed that one. That one bites you. Want some of that? Do you want some of that too? Oh my gosh, look at my hands.
The hands are all...
Now what do I do?
Look, now we got some, what are these, alpacas?
Yeah, but I'm gonna have to wash my hands because it's starting to...
Yeah,
No. Oh, you guys are arguing.
He's like, I don't want corn. This one's like, I'll take it.
What do you want? Do you want this? Oops, get it. Now you dropped it. What, you want one of them too?
What are you doing?
What is that size?
Hey, you want some?
He'll spit at you.
Do you spit at me?
Yeah.
No, we'll see.
I don't think I'm a farmer. I do not like the feeling
Why is that?
of... I do not like the feeling of anything spitty and gross, and I actually had to go wipe it off like right away. I'm not Miss Priss, but I sure in the heck don't like slobber either. I think I got that because of the sun. No thanks. You can feed it. This is funny. You want to feed this? No thanks. But you can. Oh. Hi. Are you coming to get hi? There you go. Hi. You want to give that one something?
I did.
This one, because it come to eat my camera.
It's pretty
Aggressive?
licking it right off. Nice. More down the way.
Oh, look at the babies.
Look at the baby. Look at the baby up there. Look at the baby up there. Look at the baby up there. Come look at the baby here. Come look at the baby. 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 Look at the baby Is it better to like handle them more since they're around humans so much? Yeah.
We always try to socialize them the best we can. Because then it's also easier if we have to.
Yeah, that makes total sense.
I mean, they all know what's going on the day that guy comes in. But
Yeah, right.
that's the day that none of them want to be touched.
Yeah, they're like,
Oh,
and
look
they
it.
actually take off.
You're so cute.
He was actually born yesterday morning.
That one?
Yeah.
Wow.
She had two giant.
That poor mom.
Wow.
Yes.
It was dancing around. Oh, are you trying to find Mama?
Hold on.
I wonder if they can tell like their baby's cry. I think they do
Oh, where did the one that was crying? Oh,
Black
he's
one, I
calling. She's calling for the baby, and the baby was just crying. So the mama's trying to find him.
You got the sheep next to the goats.
Isn't it cute? It's right over here.
And you see the chickens with the fluffy heads?
There is a peacock. A cow. Woohoo! Some cow. Oh, look at the duck. Whatever that chicken is, I think maybe. There's a duck over here. Kai is feeding a duck. Here comes another duck for you. And the peahen over here, or not a peahen, what is this? A peacock. A peahen is a girl, and that's a peacock. Right? Is that what they call them?
The peacock? Yeah.
And a peahen is a lady.
I have no idea.
Yes, it is. I think.
What they call them?
I think, yeah, that's what I watched someone on YouTube and they say that that's what it is, but I don't really know because I'm not, know nothing. What is that?
I don't know.
The one,
A pigeon or
oh, that's a pigeon.
a certain type of pigeon?
I know nothing about animals when it comes to farm animals or birds, so I apologize for any whatever, but I know nothing. And let's look at that. How pretty. And then we have cow. And a cow. There's a beautiful cow and some chickens. This horse is 20 years old. Wow. Does it say a name?
Yeah, this is Little Bit.
Little Bit.
He's over 20 years old.
He's over 20 years old, and it's a dwarf
The dwarf mini horse.
mini horse. Wow. I can. Eat something?
No, he already tried. He didn't want anything.
Are you just chewing? Here, piggy, 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 piggy. taking a nap. See, and it's got its little area here. See? Now you can. It's cute. I don't know. It's just chilling. And you got one up on the shed over there. Here comes some chickens up here. And then you got some cow over here.
Males, yeah, it's up on that shed.
Yeah, so this is the female, I'm assuming. Yeah, this is, I think they call it a peahen, I think is what the people I watch on YouTube say. Don't let me interrupt your bathing.
Oops.
I got free coffee and free lunch. Oh my gosh, that's like That's a peanut.
You got that thinks it's a snake.
How cute. So they do have pony rides.
Didn't we make you have one?
I think we did, if I'm not mistaken. I think so. So they have pony rides anyway. Look at the guinea pigs. Oh, they're in their little hut. Oh, Kai, can I have some? No. Darn. No, we used to have them.
I know.
And they were like, yip, 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 yip. We had 2 of them. And they just stunk.
They were noisy.
And they stunk.
Yeah.
So if we could do something like this would be perfect. Maybe someday. I don't know, so that's a good thing.
This is a 5x8 covered.
Yeah, it's kind of a cool setup. I'll show you. If you ever want to do something for a guinea pig, this would be perfect. They have this for the guinea pig, so it's opened. It'd be great. This is how they have their mini lop. Now, I don't see their mini lop out here, but this would be a great cage setup name.
Hi.
You don't know? Hi, what's your name? Can I touch you? I'm not scared of you. No, I'm not.
My niece takes care of the rabbits. I don't know.
Oh.
She switches names all the time.
You got him, Kai?
Yeah, I got Panther too.
Can I touch you before I leave? I'm not scared of you either. It's okay. It's okay. I'm not going to hurt you. No, I'm not.
They dug out the other night.
Oh, did they? Oh. I'm not really going to do a lot of... Here is, yes.
They have their little gift shop here. All different types of stuff.
Come and support. Oh, go. Wine, because no great store ever started with a salad. There you go for you, Ma.
Yeah.
Here you go. A cow, a pig, a chicken walk into the barbecue. The end. This is what I need.
Funny farm.
Welcome to the funny farm. Oh, I love that one too. Oh, I love that too. The bridge. May troubles be and blessings be more. Nothing but happiness. Yeah. Oh, I like that one too. I love all of them. Well, this one's pretty.
Yeah, and of course, because we're in Wisconsin, they're going to have...
Yes, they are right there. Packers stuff.
There's nothing wrong with that. If you're a Packers fan, that's fantastic.
If you're a Packers fan, I'm a nobody's fan.
All right, so they have. Look at
Oh, I have to get something.
these. Some of these sweatshirts. These are nice sweatshirts.
Yeah, they do have nice
They're
sweatshirts.
thick for $54.
Perfect.
$54.
There's some over here too.
Who's that? Ooh, this does. The flannels.
The flannel. Yeah, there's all different kinds.
Oh, that's it. You feel that?
Here you go. Kai likes the flannel.
That's a thick one. $54.
They also have a little thing that you can go into to take pictures too. It's like a photo op. We didn't do that because there was a lot of people in the line. So now we are on our way back to the car because it's hot and I'm wearing black. I got black shoes, black pants, black everything. I'm in the black. And you would be amazed how many people judge people how they wear things.
Yeah.
It's insane. I had people taking their child's hand and like, come this way, get away from her type thing. And it was like, I'm wearing a, guess what I'm wearing? What am I wearing, Kai? I'm wearing a Rolling Stones rock t-shirt with black jeans and black shoes with studs. I mean, it's so stupid. So people, stop doing that.
Yeah.
We're supposed to be loving one another. But because I wear a band t-shirt and some stud shoes, I'm such a bad person. No.
It is a fun place to come out, come see. So this is located in St. Croix Falls, Wisconsin, right off of Highway 8.
Yeah,
On the
and
western end of Wisconsin, west central Wisconsin, or western central Wisconsin.
yeah, and they're open until I think they said October, right? Yeah, at the end or the middle or the beginning?
Weather
they say?
permitting, they think they go all the way up through October, the end of October.
Yeah.
Weather permitting, Fridays, Saturdays, and Sundays.
Yeah, and we usually come like a couple times a year. This year, this is our first time though this year,
Yeah.
right?
Yep,
Yeah.
First time.
Because
And then-
last year we went, and actually, you know what? We went here on our anniversary last year too, I
Yes,
think.
we did. I think we did.
So every year for the past couple years, we've been going to this place. So
Yeah. They've got, so there is lodging in town. So if you're coming from out of town, there are different hotels and motels around the area. There's a lot more to do here in the St. Croix Falls and Taylor's Falls, Minnesota area. They're cities just separated by the river.
yeah, and if you have any questions, you can leave them in the comments down below, and I'll try to get to them and tell you. But there's a big, the cars or whatever is like right here, so you'll be able to see. Let me
Big
show you.
parking lot.
Yeah, they have a big parking lot. They have, the cars are here, however, and if you look, there's a lot of parking, so don't worry about that. There's a huge area to park.
And then
So-
there's also the covered picnic areas with benches and stuff like that.
Yeah.
So you can.
I see
picnic
a
out
lot of
here.
people do that. Yeah, you can picnic. The only thing is you can't bring food in to the place where the stuff is, but you can bring it in and eat in your car or the picnic area.
They do have
whatnot, too.
I did see a mini donut stand
Yeah.
and a cotton candy snow cone.
Yeah.
Just a little couple food wagons, and I think they may be ran by the FAWN-DOE-ROSA
Probably.
itself, but I'm not sure.
We talked to one of the owners and he was fantastic. Going through some health issues, but fantastic. And so we really want to support this family-based business or farm or whatever. So
Yeah, bring out your kids. Our grandson likes it. You cut the deer. The
Yeah.
animals come up to you,
yeah.
and you can
So as
make a day of it.
Yeah, and as the people said, all in all, today was a wonderful day.
Yeah. So
So have a great
Keep
day.
watching for other videos, other things to do up here in the St. Croix Falls, Taylor's Falls area. You've got the Glacier Pothole Park and some other things. But watch for other videos, and we'll see you in the next video. We love you. God loves you. Bye.
See you later.